So we got called. This is a two separate circuit GFCIs, and we got a call yesterday because the circuit blew. And I'm gonna try and get in here so you can see. You can see right back here that there was a little nick, and it arced on the conduit there. So we'll have to replace that. This one here is still hot. We're gonna turn it off too. All right, so here's the back side of that circuit. Actually, there's three. There's a circuit for this outlet inside here, and then the two circuits, 1 and 2, for the outside outlets. The black one's the one we're looking at. We're looking for some slack here, some slack in here to push through. We might have enough. Okay, so we didn't have enough slack in the wire to get past this, where the cut's at here. So what we did is we pulled it back through and we cut it off right here, and then we can, this is a junction box, so we can put a splice right in here and feed a new wire through and hook it up. So the bad part's all cut out now. And we're just going to use a lever Wago. Love these. Just pull on it, check. Go ahead and feed this through. Got old T-Mac on the other side. It's coming through. Can you get it? Keep going. Hold on. Got enough? Oh, hold on. Let me hook this up. Wait. Is that going to be enough? Okay, we got it Lego together, and now he's going to take it through. Alright, you can pull it. Take whatever you need. As soon as we're all done, I'm going to wrap that with a piece of tape. I like to wrap a piece of tape, electric tape, around the lever. Wrap some tape around that. I'll take you around to the other side. Yep. I got one here, or you got one? Alright, go ahead. Okay, so we've got, here's our new line, ran through to replace the one that was damaged, where it arced there. And then we're going to go ahead and turn the power on, and we'll test everything before we button it up. It's rolling. Okay, so we've got our 120 volts right here. And our GFCI has tested and reset fine, so it's okay. And power is back. So now we're going to go ahead and close all this back up, and then we'll test it one more time. We're putting the box back on. Most of the screws for this were bent. Fortunately, I carried the whole container of spare stuff here, old screws and things, so we were able to replace all the screws and button it up. We are going to put a little bit of clear silicone across the top of that. So this is all done here. Good to go. We'll close it up for now. We'll have the maintenance guy here seal that. We didn't have any clear silicone, but I'll let him know. We're going to go around and button up the rest.
Leave this for Brad to look at, I guess.
Yeah. started. I didn't want to unplug that other cooler if I didn't have to, so. Especially since I think it was accidentally unplugged yesterday when they had that happen. It's a good thing that cooler was